To tear down, you need something like a ruler. The stronger the ruler, the better. If you can get a metal ruler, they are brilliant. This one I've had a very long time, and it is very, very thick, and it's useful because you don't want too much flex. What you're going to do is, I mean, you can measure it out exactly. I never measure it out exactly. I gauge it by eye. Over the years, I've got good at doing it this way. You're basically going to put it across half the sheet of the paper or around about half the sheet. Hold it down, keep it close to the top, and then you're going to lift up that side. So it creates that deckled edge. Move down the ruler, especially if your ruler is bendier, you need to move down. You'll see you've got a nice edge there on the paper. You'd then come across to do it again halfway through. You've just got to remember to move your hand up when you start at the top, and then move your hand a bit further down when you come down. The simple things like this, you sometimes forget that beginners don't know. So you can see I've just tore that paper down. It gives it a nice deckled edge all the way around. I'll do it again as well. So I've got these 4 sheets. If there's anything else that you think, oh, I really don't know how to do this, then please do comment on my video and tell me what it is, and I'll do a little video to show you how to do it. So there we are. So I've now got 4 torn down sheets. I mean, this works fantastically if you're doing cards or if you're float mounting anything. So if I'm just thinking, so if I had this was a card and I wanted to stick it on, then with it having that nice deckled edge, it works much nicer than a straight, because when you cut with scissors, what inevitably happens is you end up with it wonky. I mean, these edges actually are still not torn edges, but you could come round, and as long as you take a little bit off, you can still tear. So you can get a really lovely deckled edge. That's just over 1/2 centimetre that I've taken off on that one, and I've got that deckled edge. Then if you're mounting onto anything and you can stick it onto there, it looks lovely because you've got that fantastic deckled edge. So that works great for cards if you're sticking onto a normal card. Okay, so do let me know if there's anything else you want to learn about by popping it in the comments. Thank you.